Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. That's me. What we're going to cover this week is how to make your own kefir. All you need is kefir kit. Is simply a jar, some kefir culture and stirrer ball, and then some muslin cloth, and then also a little recipe book, which is really useful. But I bought this kefir kit from Lakeland on offer, really cheap it was. So this is absolutely simple. Really love fermented foods and really looking forward to showing you how to make these at home, affordable. You can even make your own plant milk, super easy. So let's get going. Right then, I'm back. So I've been waiting for my kefir to be fermented, and I've actually made some more batches along the way. And what you can do is you can take a small part of this, 100ml to 200ml, add it to another batch. And what you're doing is you're transferring your colonies of your kefir and your bacteria into a new batch. I bought these from Lakeland, which are brilliant. Bought a small one and a large one, so I can really do, which is specialising in fermentation. I'm going to put a link below. It naturally allows the air to come out, but not in. So, finally been looking forward to trying this. And I'm going to show you how to do different flavours. So I'm going to pour this into my glass. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try it on its own first. Wow, that's amazing. Way better than what it tastes like in the shop. It's so vibrant. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make this in different flavours. My wife's bought some 100% pomegranate juice here, which is really good. You can add a little bit of that. You could even add a little bit of jam. So I've made some plum jam earlier in the year. Or you could just add whole fruit. So what I've done here is I've just mashed up some blackberries, like so, into this mixture. And then I'm just going to give this a stir. And there we have a wholesome blackberry kefir. So here is my wife Jenna. She's going to come and try this blackberry kefir. She is. Say hello. Nice. So, really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my playlist for other vegan and whole food plant-based meals. Done well over 100 recipes now. So it'd be really interesting to see your comments below. Please put your comment below, please like, please do subscribe. A lot of love and passion going into this to help you and inspire you. So, hope you have a great week everyone. Enjoy.